Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Most people don't realize this, but Google Chrome is full of default settings that leak your data, track what you do online, and basically spy on your browsing in the background. So today I'll show you the dangerous Chrome settings you need to turn off right now, step by step. No tech knowledge needed, and it only takes a few minutes. Step number 1, turn off preload pages. First, this one is sneaky. Chrome has a feature called Preload Pages. When it's on, Chrome loads websites before you even click them. That means ads load, trackers load, cookies load, all in the background. So let's switch it off. To do this, we're going to go up to the three dots in the top right hand corner, then scroll down to Settings, and from here you want to go over to Performance, and then scroll down to Speed and you'll see Preload Pages. Chrome preloads pages, which makes browsing and searching faster. So what you want to do is disable this, and when this is off, you only load a website when you actually visit it, not when Google thinks you might. Step 2, disable autocomplete searches and URLs or improve search suggestions. Chrome sends everything you type in the address bar to Google for prediction, even if you don't press enter. So we don't want that, and we're going to turn it off. To do this, go up to the three dots in the top right hand corner, scroll down to Settings, then you want to go over to You and Google, and then you want to select Sync and Google Services. And from here you'll see Improve Search Suggestions, or also it could be labeled as autocomplete searches and URLs. So we are going to disable this. And what this will do, this stops Chrome from sending partial URLs and search terms to Google in real time. Step 3, turn off Chrome's ad topics. This one is new. Chrome has a built-in advertising system called Ad Topics, and it learns what you're interested in by watching how you browse. Yeah, really. So we're going to turn that off now. To do that, you want to go to the three dots in the top right hand corner and scroll down to Settings, and then from here you want to go over to Privacy and Security, and from here scroll down to Add Privacy, then Add Topics, the first one, select that, and we're going to switch it off. And then you want to go back, select Site Suggested Ads, and we're going to disable that, and go back, add measurement, and we're going to disable that as well. These features follow you around the web to help advertisers target you, so we've switched off all three. Step number 4, block third-party cookies. Third-party cookies follow you from site to site, building a profile of everything you do. These are old school trackers that you really don't need. So to block these, we're going to go up to the three dots in the top right hand corner, scroll down to Settings, then over to Privacy and Security, and then you want to go down to third-party cookies and select block third-party cookies. Also, and here it says allow related sites to see your activity in the group. Just disable this as well. This stops the biggest trackers instantly. Some sites may need cookies to work, but third-party ones are almost always just for ads. Step 5, turn off Google usage tracking. Chrome sends a lot of diagnostics and usage stats to Google, and we don't need that switched on. So we're going to turn it off, and to do that, we are going to go up to the three dots in the top right-hand corner, scroll down to Settings, You and Google over on the left-hand side, Sync and Google Services, and from here you should see Help Improve Chrome's Features and Performance. Automatically sends usage statistics and crash reports to Google. We're going to disable that because it's not needed. You're not going to lose any features, you're just stopping data collection that happens in the background. Step 6, turn off background apps. Chrome loves to keep running even after you close it. It keeps background apps and services active, which can leak data or just use resources for no reason. So we're going to turn this off now, and to do so, go up to the three dots in the top right hand corner, scroll down to Settings, And from here you want to scroll down to System, and you will see Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. So what we want to do is disable that. And when this is off, Chrome actually closes when you close it, as it should. Step number 7, turn off Chrome password saving. Chrome's password manager stores all your passwords in your Google account, which means everything is tied to one login. If that ever gets compromised, all your logins go with it. So to turn that off, we are going to go up to the 3 dots in the top right hand corner, scroll down to Settings, and over on the left hand side you want to select Autofill and Passwords. From here we want to select Google Password Manager, and then over on the left hand side you will see Settings. Select that, and then here we have the options to offer to save passwords and passkeys. We're going to disable this. And sign in automatically. Google Password Manager remembers how you signed in and automatically signs you in when possible. So we're going to turn that off as well. And you're better using something like Bitwarden or Proton Pass. They're all better options for security. Don't store passwords in Chrome. And finally, we are at step number 8, stop WebRTC IP leaks. This one is important because even with a VPN, Chrome can sometimes leak your real IP address through something called WebRTC. Chrome doesn't let you disable it completely, so we'll install the official Google extension that blocks the leak. To do this, open up Google, then search for WebRTC Network Limiter, and you should see it at the Chrome Web Store. So we want to select that, and then from here we want to go to Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and I'm going to click the X here because I'm not signing in. And then from here you want to go to the little jigsaw icon, and then scroll down to WebRTC Network Limiter and select the 3 dots and select Options. Then if you get a little pop-up here, select Use my default public IP address. This prevents Google from leaking your private local IP through WebRTC and still allows sites to function. So once you've selected this, you can click the X, and we can make sure that the add-on is also switched on, which it is. And that's it. Chrome will stop leaking your real IP during video calls, games, and streaming sites. And that's it. Those are the dangerous Chrome settings you should turn off right now. Most people never look at these defaults, and that's why Chrome leaks so much data by design. So that's it. I would like to thank you for watching. Stay private online and subscribe for more simple privacy tutorials. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.